Oh, their water shoes are fine.
Yes, they are.
I didn't even think about it.
Where are they biting you?
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
All over. They like my back, but they get you on the chest, too.
Yes,
That's hilarious.
does it hurt? Man,
And usually more
that
out.
story?
Are you videotaping it? You dirty beggar.
One was on my chest, one was on my back.
They team tagged you. Please.
Hey, Rich, you shouldn't chum him while he's in the water.
Oh, it feels really good.
I know. We should go in, girls. I just don't feel like it tonight. I don't know.
That'd be amazing.
Drinking the lake water.
Yeah.
Yes,
Karen didn't want to get her face in.
yeah, that might be a little tough to get out there.
I bet that. Are you going to put your feet in?
None of my boat's really hard to get. Thank you.
Even putting our feet in, well, it probably feel good.
So if it stinks in our hut tonight, it's your fault. What?